Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check running apps on iPhone, and here's how it is done. There are two ways to check if an app is running on your iPhone. One is for apps that are physically open, and the other is for apps running in the background when you are not using them. Checking open apps. To see if an app is open, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause for a second. This will bring up the app switcher, showing you all the apps that are currently open. From here, you can close any app by swiping it up off the screen. You can go through all your open apps and close them this way. Checking apps running in the background. Now, to see if apps are running in the background and refreshing data even when you aren't using them, let us head into Settings. Scroll down and tap on General, then select Background App Refresh. Here, you can see if Background App Refresh is turned on. When this is enabled, apps that are toggled on will refresh their data even when you are not using them. For example, apps like Instagram, Facebook, or Google Maps can refresh your feed or location data in the background, which can use up battery life and data. Personally, I prefer to turn this off to save battery and data usage. By doing this, apps won't refresh when you are not using them. If you want if you want an app, if you want an app to load new posts or data, you can just open it and it will refresh when you use it. You might have to wait a few seconds for it to load, but it won't be draining your battery or using app data in the background. And that is everything you need to know about how to check running apps on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.